So in this video, we're gonna go over and do a quick test. We're gonna compare on Facebook lead forms, testing them against website landing page forms. We're gonna do a quiz and we're gonna do just a basic on Facebook landing page. Because in the industry, there's like a big issue where a lot of leads that just come through Facebook are really crap. So we're gonna do this test so you don't have to. So be sure to go ahead and just skip to the part of this video where I reveal all of the tests, how it turned out. But I'm also gonna be going ahead and building out like the whole structure and showing how you can set it up too. Behind me, as you can see, I have already like made a video ad. So we'll be modeling everything off of already bidding ads. So we just have a real test subject to go ahead and actually test. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and just do a test which produces better leads. How much cost per lead are we gonna get? Is it gonna be on Facebook lead forms, or is it gonna be the quiz? So for the quiz itself, we're gonna be using Growform. You can go ahead and get a free trial, which I'm doing over here, and just create a form specifically to your niche, specifically to your client. And in the end, it would look like something like this, really like gamify and make a really good looking form, which at the end of the day will make the customer kind of want to finish it, right? Because he doesn't have to do a lot, just like click pictures, click some answers, what describes you best, homeowner. And this also allows you to ask more questions to the customer, potential inquiry, just to get a bit more information out of them. So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and do this test on a damp proofing company. So we would have, are you a homeowner? What issues are you experiencing? Peeling paint, mold. Have you received a damp survey previously? No, I haven't. How soon are you looking to fix this? Immediately. And then just some information and see if you qualify. All right, so to get started, first we need to take our video ad, which I'm gonna put on the screen right now, so bear with me.
Struggling with damp and mould in your home? For just £99, get a professional damp survey to detect problems early, before they become expensive disasters. We will conduct a moisture scan, give you expert diagnosis and tailored plan to fix these issues for good. This one-time offer is limited to the next 10 homes in Birmingham area, so click below and book your survey today.
We have gone ahead and created ad copy that is actually really awesome, and also we did 2 headline variations just for this campaign. So one is going to be full damp survey for just £99, refundable, and book your damp survey today. Usually for that also we have a Facebook ads creation checklist. Just goes through A to Z, also what you need to check before you go over, like every pixel, every webhook, what budget are you gonna do, just so you have a real good outline of what you already have tried in the past when you get like more campaigns going, and then you can just come back to this and see like what was working at that point in time. So you can also like choose ad strategy. We're going to check test form. This is the ad strategy we're going to run. Creative format, we're going to do image, right? And just fill this out A to Z. Right, so we have filled out every bit of information over here that we need. Just like final checks, mobile preview looks good. Yes, it does. Text is not cut off. CTA button link works. And now we just need to go ahead and apply everything that we have here to the Facebook ad. We're gonna go ahead and just create a new campaign. We have a few running in the background already. That's it. So we're gonna go ahead and just name form. And we're gonna actually select one of this ones that we have, and we're gonna do form Facebook, right? We're gonna select instant forms. This is what we're gonna do, maximize number of leads. Sometimes it automatically switches to maximize number of conversion leads. Doesn't really, in my experience, change anything. Like they're both similar. So we're gonna do £20 per ad set. So £20 over here. And we're gonna go ahead and select our location. So we're gonna be targeting specifically Birmingham area. So Birmingham, England, UK. And we're going to be selecting, let's do 10 mile radius. So always make sure that reach more people likely respond to your ads is off, because that sometimes just brings random people out of the country, just random people out of random locations. So we don't need that. For Advantage Plus audience, we're gonna select our age, 30 to 64, which we pick. That has shown pretty good results. Everything's pretty well working in that. All genders, although from the test we have seen that men respond more than women, we're still going to keep that on all genders. Advantage Plus placements on, and then we can go ahead and create this ad over here. Let's start off by adding the video that I just showed you. Paste that in here. Make sure that everything looks good. There's no weird spaces. Same thing with the headlines. Just copy each one. Where do we have it? Over here. Do it like this. Add another headline option. And just paste that in. We're going to test this one. Do one-on-one recruitment.
Struggling with damp and...
Everything's working well. Everything's looking good. And that is our first ad uploaded. So creating the form, really simply, we're just going to duplicate already what we did in the past, but tailor that to our offer right now. And always more volume, intro, background image, and fill out this form to claim your 99-pound damp survey. And then we're going to go over with the questions. We have conditional logic answered over here. So if they're a landlord, if they're a homeowner, they get sent out to the next question. But for example, if they're a tenant, my client doesn't work with tenants, so we're just going to send them to end page for non-leads, just showing them that this potentially might not be the best offer for them. So every question is pretty simple. How soon are you looking to address this issue? And then describe the issue in detail, just a short answer right there. And yeah, full name, email, phone number, postcode. That's all that we need. Privacy policy. We have privacy policy over here. And for the end page, we will change around the end page to do one more step or one last step to book. Your survey, just really simple. Let's keep this short. Click the button below and schedule your assessment. Keep an eye out for SMS and call. So over here, as you can see, like the last step, what we're gonna do and let them do is just do step 2 out of 2, schedule your damp survey, and then calendar over here when they can book it in, or call to schedule, call us to schedule, right? Really, really simple. Some examples of our work. About us page, like what we do, and some reviews at the bottom. Really, really simple. We're going to select this, copy link, and then we're going to go back to Facebook and just paste that in. Click now to schedule. Here it's schedule. Click here to schedule. That will be really good. One last step to book, to secure your survey. Click the button below, schedule your assessment. Keep an eye out for SMS and call. I don't like the assessment word, so we're gonna just change it to survey. So yeah, and then we can click create form, and now create every bit of ads that we have here. Just duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. And then I'm going to create the second ad set, which I'm just going to show you now. So when we have that set up, we can just go ahead and click on the ad set itself and just do quick duplicate to make a quick copy in our Facebook Business Manager. And then we're going to go ahead and call this quiz, for example. Like that's what we're going to do, quiz. And after that, we're going to select website and maximize number of conversions that is set up. We have our data set over here, active data sets. If you don't know how to set up Facebook pixels, there's tons of videos online that will just show you like step by step how to integrate them into your landing pages. But over here, what we're going to do, we're just going to select a lead. And then we can go to set up conversions. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go over and just create a new Facebook pixel. We can create a new data set. We're gonna call it landing page quiz, for example, just like landing page. And we don't need this. And we're just gonna create a new data set, which is gonna carry out like the metapixel, everything tracking wise. Then we're gonna be prompted with how we want to set up our website. So what we want to do is set up manually and go next. And then we're gonna select, we can just do recommended. And then we select instructions, see instructions. Over here we have our metapixel code, which we can just go ahead to go high level, find our landing page, and open code editor, just paste this in, and we're gonna change the, you can see like in the code, metapixel code, we can just change this to lead. So this will fire off a lead notification. We need to add it also to the first page just to trigger like page view. Do the same thing over here. Below the logo, we're gonna install a code and we're gonna call it whatever and just change the lead back to page view. Or was it like this? I think it was like this. You can just like preview the page, make sure everything is in the right places. Do you need a DAMP survey? Take a 30-second quiz. Right, okay, so now we're gonna go back to Facebook. So pretty much similarly as we created the lead formats, we're just gonna do the same thing. After everything has been set up, we can go ahead and just quickly preview our ad over here that we have. And all that we have to do is click now publish. And we're gonna check back with the ad in the next 1 or 2 days just to see like the performance and compare both of these ad variants. It's been a bit more than a day just now, and we're about to see the results. What happens after a day of running these ads, comparing landing pages versus Facebook lead forms. But just to start off, like you have to see that this ad itself is performing really well right off the bat. We have click-through rates, 3.59%. We have link click-through rates, 70%, 2% even. And we haven't managed to get that many clicks on the landing page itself. And right off the bat, we can see that the landing page got only 1 lead across this time that we ran it, while the Facebook form managed to get 7 at a cost £3.67 per lead. And the landing page, £14 per lead, right? So now we know that pretty much we can run both of these for a longer period of time and just now see which lead is higher quality, which from what we know, that should be the landing page. And if you get a conversion rate on landing pages, 3-5%, that's good. That means you can run it. And this is giving me a signal that this needs to run a bit more just to like see the quality of the leads and see if it's even worth to run this or try something else, right? Before you click off this video, I would appreciate if you go ahead and just press that like button. That helps motivate me to keep making these videos and adding as much value that I can. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.